these are payouts from yesterday. We didn't get Tuesday's numbers. These are from yesterday.
All right. 50 grand. Oh, yeah.
And that's incorrect right there. Raphael, 7150 took out 10 grand. Ricardo, Brooks, and Dakota, not our Dakota, a different Dakota. There's another Dakota.
Whoa.
Wait a minute.
I am a big believer of taking some profits right away. I want to put some money in the bank. You know why? Then you feel a little confident. What a lot of traders will do, especially when we're trading futures or when they're trading futures, is go for the big home run every time you get in a trade. It's not going to happen.
I mean, hey, this is our 200th episode. So I'm not shocked to see that we have 58,000 people watching us here on 200th episode.
Does someone really think that, like, if I see a spike in 3 seconds from, like, 5,000 to 57,000, I'll be like, oh, we must release a fire drill right now? I mean, come on. Do some critical thinking. Keen, she's taking your money, she's treating you like dirt, and then spending the night with Dakota. It's time to end it, bud. Set yourself free. Take a break. Find a new product. Get on with your life.
I'm up 35K.
Okay, good morning, Dakota.
It worked out pretty well. Wow. Yeah. Give you guys a reason to join my slow markets. I got myself into a good position, had a stop loss, but a take profit, and then went to bed.
Amazing.
That is a good night's sleep right there. That is how you sleep well, folks.